ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡವೋ
ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಲಾ?
ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. So good morning everyone. So in this particular class, let me teach you how to perform the subtraction by making use of the ones complement as well as the twos complement. So far, what I have done is we have performed the subtraction by using two numbers. We used to subtract a smaller number by using the larger number. Now let us see how to subtract a larger number by making use of a smaller number. That can be done by making use of the ones complement subtraction and twos complement subtraction. Okay. Now let me take an example and let me explain you how to solve the problem. Now what I will take is 55 minus 75. Here you can see you have a larger number that needs to be subtracted by using the smaller number. Now what you need to do is, firstly you need to perform this subtraction by making use of the ones complement. For performing the ones complement, what you need to do is, firstly you need to convert this decimal number into the binary form. So firstly I will convert 55 to binary form. So I am dividing it by 2. So if I divide 55 by 2, I will get the quotient as 37 and the remainder will be 1. Next again, I will divide 27 by 2, I will get the quotient as 1 and the remainder as 1. Sorry, 13 and the remainder as 1. Again, I will divide 13 by 2, the quotient will be equal to 6 and the remainder will be equal to 1. Next again, I will divide 6 by 2, the quotient will be equal to 3 and the remainder will be equal to 0. And again, I will divide 3 by 2, the quotient will be equal to 1 and the remainder will be equal to 1. Again, I cannot divide 1 by 2 because 1 is smaller than 2. Now, I have converted 55 to binary form. Now, let me make a note of this particular value. That is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is the binary form of the number 55. Next, what I need to do? I need to convert this particular number 75 to binary form. So I will convert 75 to binary form. So 75, if I divide it by 2, I will get 37 as quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Again, I will divide 37 by 2, I will get 18 as quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Again, I will divide 18 by 2, 9 will be the quotient and 0 will be the remainder. Again, I will divide 9 by 2, 4 will be the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Next again, I will divide 4 by 2, 2 will be the quotient and 0 will be the remainder. And again, I will divide 2 by 2, 1 will be the quotient and 0 will be the remainder. So, I have converted the 75 to binary form. Let me make a note of this particular number also. So, I have got 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is 55. The upper number is 55, and the lower number is 75. Okay. Now you can see in the upper number you have totally how many digits? I have 6 digits, whereas in the lower number you will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 digits. So what you need to do is you just add a 0 over here. Now have an upper number is also 7 digits, as well as the lower number is also having 7 digits. Next, what you need to do is you need to subtract the lower number by using the upper number. Now you are subtracting the larger number by making use of the smaller number. So what you need to do is you need to perform this subtraction by making use of the ones complement. You need to perform this subtraction by making use of the ones complement. So ones complement, you need to do it for the lower number. So what is ones complement in the sense? You are replacing zeros with ones and ones with zeros. So I will take the lower number and I will find the ones complement of this thing. So what is the number I have? 100 1011. For this particular number, I need to find the ones complement. Ones complement, it is nothing but you are converting or else you are replacing zeros with ones and ones with zero. I have 1, I will replace it with 0. I have 0, I will replace it with 1. Again, I have 0, I will replace it with 1. I have 1, I will replace it with 0. 0, I am replacing it with 1. 1, I am replacing it with 0. 1, again I am replacing it with 0. Now, I have got the ones complement of the number 75. Okay, next what you need to do is you need to take the upper number and take the ones complement of the lower number and you need to add these two numbers. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the binary form of 55. I have taken it. Next, what I need to do? I need to take the ones complement of this particular number. So ones complement, it is nothing but replacing zeros with ones and ones with 0. So I will take this 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This I have taken. Okay, now I have taken the upper number and I have converted into the binary form, and I have taken the lower number, I have converted into the binary form, and then what I have done is I have converted the lower number to the ones complement. Next, what I need to do is I need to perform addition. Even though you are mentioning it as subtraction, whenever you are performing ones complement, you need to perform the addition operation. So 1 plus, so you need to know the basic rules. I am repeating it again. 0 plus 0, it is equal to 0. 0 plus 1, it is equal to 1. 1 plus 0, it is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, it is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 will be equal to 0 and 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. Again 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. 1 will be carried over. Okay. So again 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So it is 1. Again you have 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? 0. 1 will be carried over. Again, consider 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is nothing but 3. If you convert 3 to binary form, you will be getting 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0, it is nothing but, what is 1 plus 0 according to this thing? It is nothing but 1. Again you have 0. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So you have like this. So I have got this particular number. What is the number I have got? What is the number I have got is 1101,011. So after performing the addition, this is the thing I have got. Next, what I need to do is, for this, I need to find the ones complement. Again, what is ones complement? Ones complement, it is nothing but replacing ones with zeros and zeros with ones. So, for this particular value, you need to find the ones complement. 1, replace it with 0. Again 1, replace it with 0. 0, replace it with 1. 1, replace it with 0. 0, replace it with 1. 1, replace it with 0. 1, replace it with 0. Now, this is the final outcome. Now, what is the number I have got? 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the number I have taken? Is 55 minus 75. What is 55 minus 75? It is nothing but minus 20. Now, let us see whether I have got the right answer or not. So, to check or to verify whether I have got the right answer or not, I need to convert this particular binary number into decimal form. What is the number I have got? 10100. So this is the number I have got. So for this, I need to convert this particular binary number into decimal form. So 0 into 2 to the power of 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4. Now, 0 into 2 to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. 0 into 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. 0 into 2 plus 2 to the power of 2, it is nothing but 4. 4 into 1 plus 2 to the power of 3, it is nothing but 8. 8 into 0. 2 to the power of 4, it is nothing but 16. 16 into 1. So 1 into 16, 16 plus 0 into 8, 0. 1 into 4, 4. 0 into 2, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. So 16 plus 4 is nothing but 20. You can see over here, here also I got 20, here also I got it as 20. Now you can see whenever this particular value, this least significant bit, sorry, this is the most significant bit. If the most significant bit is 0, then you can indicate it as a negative number. It can be considered as a negative number. So this is how exactly we are performing the subtraction of the larger number by a smaller number by using the ones complement. So I will just repeat it once again. If you have not understood, so then you can just make a note of this. So, whenever you are performing ones complement subtraction, you have to perform the ones complement subtraction. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to convert the given number to binary form, and you have a number at the top and you have a number at the bottom. Okay, whatever the number you are subtracting, that number, for that particular number, find the ones complement. Find the ones complement. After finding the ones complement, in the ones complement subtraction, should not perform the subtraction. Instead of that, you need to perform the addition. Once after you perform the addition, whatever the final outcome you are getting, for that particular final outcome, again you need to find the ones complement. So this is the steps we need to perform for finding the subtraction, or else to perform the subtraction of the larger number using the smaller number. Now, what was the example I have taken is 55 minus 75. I am subtracting 75 from 55. Now, you have the number at the top and you have the number at the bottom. What is the number at the top? 55. What is the number at the bottom? 75. So both the numbers I have converted from decimal to binary. Okay, you know how to convert the decimal number to binary number. Once I have completed the conversion, I will just make a note of all these numbers. So for 55, it is 1 1 0 1 1 1. For 55, the binary equivalent is 110 111. Next, for 75, what is the binary equivalent? Let us see that. So for 75, the binary equivalent is 100 1011. Now, if you see this particular two numbers, if you see these two numbers, so the top number is having 6 bits, whereas the bottom number is having 7 bits. At that time, what you need to do is you need to add a 0. You need to add a 0 so that the top as well as the bottom numbers, both the numbers have the same number of bits. Okay, so the first part is over. After converting the decimal to binary, next thing what you need to do is you need to find the ones complement of the bottom number. You need to find the ones complement of the bottom number. So what is the bottom number you have? 100 1011. What is ones complement? Ones complement, it is nothing but replacing zeros with ones and ones with zeros. So you can see over here, I have 1, I have to replace it with 0. I have 1, 0, I will replace it with 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now, I have found the ones complement of the bottom number. Now, take the top number and take the bottom number. That is the ones complement, whatever you have taken, to take those two numbers. What is the top number? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the number at the bottom, sorry, top. Next, take down the number at the bottom. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So, this is the second step. Once after you find the ones complement, take the top number as well as the bottom number and then perform addition. You need to perform addition. You should not perform subtraction over here because you are using ones complement. So you need to perform addition. So to perform addition, you need to follow the basic rules. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 will be carried over. Okay. Now, what is 1 plus 0? 1. 1 plus 0? 1. 1 plus 1? 0. 1 will be carried over. Again, 1 plus 0? 1. 1 plus 0? 1. So, 1 plus 0 plus 0 is nothing but 1. Again, what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 it is nothing but 0. 1 will be carried over. Again, what is 1 plus 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Find the binary equivalent of 3. So, it is nothing but 1 and 1. So, 1 I will take over here. 1 will be carried forward. Again, 1 plus 0 plus 0. What is 1 plus 0 plus 0? 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 0 again it is 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 is nothing but 1. Now I have performed the addition. Next, after performing the addition, whatever the result you have obtained, for that particular result, again find the ones complement. What is one complement? Ones complement is nothing but replacing ones with zeros and zeros with ones. So, what is the number result you have got? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. For this particular result, find the ones complement. So, 0 for 1 you have to write it as 0, for 0 you have to write it as 1. So, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now, this is the final answer what I have got. Now, I need to check whether the answer which I have got is correct or not. If I subtract 75 from 55, what is the answer I will be getting? Minus 20. Now, let me check whether this particular answer what I have got is equal to minus 20 or not. So, for that what I need to do is, I need to convert this particular binary number to decimal number. So I'll take this particular number, leave this part, you start from 1. So 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, now convert this particular number to decimal form. So 0 into 2 to the power of 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4. Now, 2 to the power of 0, it is nothing but 1, 0 into 1 plus 2 to the power of 1, it is nothing but 2, 0 into 2 plus 2 to the power of 2, it is nothing but 4, 1 into 4 plus 2 to the power of 3, it is nothing but 8, 0 into 8 plus 2 to the power of 4, it is nothing but 16, 16 into 1. Next, again, perform the addition as well as multiplication. 16 into 1, 16, 8 into 0, 0, 1 into 4, 4, 0 into 2, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Now, 16 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 is nothing but 20. You can see whatever the answer you have got over here and whatever the answer which is calculated by using the ones complement, both are same. Whereas here you have the negative symbol. Here I don't have any negative symbol over here. Here whenever you have represented any number, okay, by using the negative number, whenever you want to represent any negative number in the binary form, always remember you'll be having the last bit, whatever the last bit you are getting, that will be equal to 0. Whenever the last bit, that is on the left hand side, whichever the bit you have, if it is equal to 0, then you'll be considering it as a negative number. So this is the explanation and this is the steps that needs to be performed to subtract a larger number by using the smaller number using the ones complement. So let me recall all the steps. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to convert the decimal number into binary form. Okay, I have converted both the things. Next, you have a top number and you have a bottom number. Whichever number you want to subtract, okay, that number, you take that particular number and find the ones complement. Ones complement is nothing but replacing zeros with ones and ones with zeros. Once after you perform or else when you convert bottom number into ones complement, then what you need to do is take the top number and take the ones complement of the bottom number and perform the addition. So you get one intermediate result. So take that intermediate result and then for this intermediate result again perform the ones complement, that is replace zeros with ones and ones with zeros. So you will get the final output. So to check or to verify the result, what you need to do is you need to take this particular result and convert that particular result from the binary form to decimal form, and you can just perform the decimal subtraction and you can check or else you can verify, cross verify whether both the results are same. So in some cases what happens is you will be getting a negative number. So here if you are getting a negative number in the results also, that the leftmost bit, whatever the leftmost bit you have, that will be equal to 0, which indicates the result or else whatever the result you have got, it is a negative number. So this is the first case in the ones complement subtraction. So If you have not understood any of these steps, you can just contact me. Thank you everyone.
Sir,